Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to guide you through how to reset Microsoft Authenticator codes when you lost your phone and can't access two-factor authentication. So guys, it's crucial to regain access to your accounts securely. So let's get started. So guys, stay tuned as we walk you through the steps to reset your Microsoft Authenticator and regain control of your secured accounts. So I'm going to show you multiple methods, and this is a step-by-step guide. So guys, for the first option that you have is just simply initiate account recovery. So guys, just simply go to the account recovery page of your service that you're trying to access, and after that, just simply follow the prompts to verify your identity. And once you have done that, just simply verify your identity and just simply follow the prompts to verify your identity. And this may involve answering security questions or using alternative emails or verifying through a secondary authentication method. And guys, after that, just disable the two-factor authentication into your account. So once you're verified, navigate to the security settings of your account and look for the option to disable the two-factor authentication link with Microsoft Authenticator. And after that, guys, just simply install Authenticator on your new phone from the App Store or Google Play Store. And after that, just log in into your account using your new phone and follow the prompts to set up your new two-factor authentication again using Microsoft Authenticator. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.